Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Thank you so much for stopping by and welcome into the studio. If you are new here, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And click on that bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. My mind went blank. So today I bring you a Dollarama haul. I've had to go out several times this week for different reasons. So I would stop into Dollaramas and Dollar Trees, and frankly, I stopped into Dollarama because I was just, remember this, just buying kitty litter. This is not kitty litter. I found a few things. So let's get right to it, shall we? Okay. Oh, it's heavy. First, I was pretty psyched about these things. They had some more wooden pieces. These are new by Dollarama. They are wooden plaques. They say painted, painted natural wood. They're $1 a piece. $1. Dollarama. I freak out when I see something for still $1 at Dollarama. So they have these circle ones, as you can see, and it has like this rim. And I thought this is really neat. It's kind of well finished. I'll take it out of the bag so I can show you. It's a nice wood. Could use a light sanding maybe to make it super smooth. A little dusty. And like you can see, it's got an edge and another little edge here. So it's nicely finished. And I just thought the circles would make some cool lids on stuff as well as wheels, as plaques. Oh, there's so many things we can do with these. So I got the circle. They have a heart-shaped one with the same details. A square. They have this pretty, like, fancy frame one. A rectangle. This one. And this one. So I got one of each, except for the circles. I picked up a few of the circles of those, and they're $1 a piece. So yeah, it makes for some very inexpensive crafting. Very nice little piece of wood. Not cheap. And then also in the same line, the crafts line for Dollarama, they had some laser cut wood shapes. You get 6 pieces in here for $1.25. And in here you get basically 2 of each of 3 designs. So you get 2 of these pretty like squares. Very pretty. Very cute. They don't bend. Not too flimsy. Not flimsy at all, I should say. These pretty circles. Look at the details. Not like, I'm trying to find a piece of paper or something. Like, look at the details. It's very pretty. And some hearts as well. Again, pretty. So get those. So you get 6 of these shapes for $1.25. So that's a new crafty item. Okay, so stuff was put in here very randomly, so I'll just pull it out and you can see what I get. Oh, I get these bags of gummy bears for my guys. My guys like candy, and these are only $1 for a little bag. You get 125 grams, so that's a fun find. These are new they have these in the storage where they have the plastic bins and such, and you get 8 pieces of these storage pieces. I think, yeah, this is $4, so they're like drawer organizers. And you get 2 of the larger size. You get 2 of the long pieces here and 3 of these little square ones, and they do have those like little hinges that kind of click into each other. And I wanted to see just how big this is. So this measures about, say, from the top part, it's like 9 inches. The bottom is like 8 inches type of thing. So it's, the bottom is 8, the top with the rim, because it goes up a little bit, is like more like 9, closer to 9. So it gives you an idea how big this is. So, and the top width is like 6, bottom is like 5. So they're not completely square, just so you know if you're wondering what the measurements are. Yeah, so this, you know, we can put pencils in here for sure. I don't know if these, it might fit utensils as well. So I'm just thinking these can be used in an office, craft room, in a bathroom, kitchen, everywhere. Everywhere you want to have or some organization, especially in drawers, or also in boxes or on craft carts. So there's lots of possibilities for those. And I thought that, whoops, $4. I know people complain about prices being $4 at Dollarama, but seriously, this is really worth it. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I usually don't show my food items, but I didn't take them out of the bag yesterday, so I got these Dare Ultimate Lemon cookies. I know in the summertime, for some reason, we really like things with lemon. So I just thought, oh, these look like yummy cookies to have. So I got those. That's a Drano hair clog. Do I have to explain why? Oh, I needed a pair of needle nose pliers in my craft room. So I picked these puppies up. They're big. I thought I want something smaller, but these actually look really good. So for $4, I thought that's not a bad price to pay for a good pair of needle nose pliers. So I got those. They will come in handy for lots of projects that I have, you know, either that I'm crafting or things I have to repair. Yeah, there's always lots of stuff to do. The next find, I was just so, like, I was smiling when I saw this, and it just, yeah, I'll explain in a bit. They have these Happy Grille more wooden bamboo barbecue grill scraper. They call it, does have the edge here, so you can see. So you can scrape. It's so nice. It's made of bamboo. They say it's to scrape the barbecue. I just think there's so many possibilities with this. I got 2 of them. This is $4. I think it's a wonderful piece for just $4. And they do show inside how to use it to efficiently scrape the grill of the barbecue. And I did get one of these so my husband could use it for the barbecue. I think it's really great for that. And it just, I smiled when I saw this, because when I saw this, it made me think of Animal House and fraternities and college days. And yeah, I met my husband at university. He was in a fraternity. And so, and one of our favorite movies at the time, of course, was Animal House, because it was representative of our lives back then. Crazy time. So this just made me reminded me of the old days where they had fraternities and hazing and paddles. Yeah, so that was quite cute. Quite funny, little throwback there down memory lane. So I bought two because I thought there could be some DIY to make with these. They're a very nice piece of wood. And yeah, so, you know, lots of possibilities. So the other thing I picked up, and I was pretty happy to find these are new. They may not be new, but I didn't see these until yesterday. They have these woven bath mats. They are 100% polyester, so I like that for my bathroom. And they're de maison. That's the little tag that's on here. That de maison is probably D for Dollarama because it's $1. It says Dollarama here. So this is another product, you know, another private label product for Dollarama, and it has a texture here. It's non-slip on the back. I got these beautiful dark blue ones to put in my boys' bathroom, and the non-slips is really important for us. So yeah, and these are $4, and I thought, what, it was they're very nice. I thought they were very, very nice for $4. They will look great in the boys' bathroom. Also, a crafty thing, I had seen people haul these pads of glitter and foil paper. Finally showed up at my store, so I got the pink purple one and the gold and silver one. These are, you know, I can't read without my glasses. These are 5.5 by 7.5. That's the size of them. There's only 8 sheets in here for $1.25, but they are 8 different sheets. You do have like foil. You have like foil, and you have foil, but you also have glitter paper. So it's a nice, you know, it's not bad for what you get. And you get 8 sheets, $1.25 of this. So they're perfect size for card making, for die cutting. So yeah, saves me the time of cutting up a big 12 by 12 sheet. Plus it's easier to store. Okay, I got this in the same aisle I got the plastic storage, actually, but at the other end. They had these really cool serving trays, and you get 4 of these for $4, so they're basically $1 a piece. Another $1 item at Dollarama, as long as you buy the 4 together. I know, but that's fine. We're a family of 4, and they say they're serving trays. Yeah, they're serving trays, but look, it's for lobsters, and it has all the instructions of how to eat lobster. OMG, I thought this is really cool. Now, honestly, when it's lobster season here in the local grocery stores and they have a good price on lobster, we will buy it, and we will buy lobster. We will have a lobster feast at home. So, you know, maybe we only do this once or twice a year, and I just thought this would be so much fun for our own lobster feast. I thought my family will get quite a hoot out of these. So got that. I picked up some grass squares. These are the sticky back kind. I hadn't seen this until now at my store. I think they're a little late. I don't know. But anyway, so I picked some up just for some crafty DIYs. I have no intention of actually using these outside. In order for me to cover any patio that I have, I would, yeah, this would, yeah. These are $1.50 a piece. They do measure 12 by 12. So this basically is $1.50 a square foot. Yeah, that would end up being a very expensive project if I bought this to actually cover my patio, because it's big. So yeah, so no, I got these for some crafting projects. I finally got one of these letter boards. They've been out for a while, and I was like, oh, I don't need one, I don't need one, I don't need one. And then I saw so many ways of using these letterboards, I thought, I have to get one. Come on, what am I thinking? I'm really behind the time here. So I got a letterboard. These are $4. I also found this in the health and beauty. It is a jade stone facial massage roller. $4. $4. Now, finally, anything made of jade coming to Canada is affordable. I know the price of jade is, anything made of jade usually is very expensive because it does come from overseas. And yeah, so this is what it is. They come in different tones of the green jade, and I just think it's a lovely, lovely piece. And they say it's a facial massage roller. I'm not much into, you know, makeup and stuff, so I have no idea, but I thought this seems like an excellent deal for $4. I had to get it, and yeah, it looks beautiful. So got that. And finally, last but not least, well, no, actually I did get cat litter. I did get the cat litter. I'm not gonna show you that. I saw this one little bag, and I would have bought a bigger one if they had a bigger one. I would have bought more if they had more. This was the only bag like this, and I picked it up because I love the vintage look. I bought it for the paper of these clocks. It's all clocks, clock faces, and yeah, I bought it for the paper, and I think these are 2 for $1.25. So, you know, I paid like 65 cents. Yeah, or so, yeah, I paid just like 62.5 cents for this. So yeah, so that's that for my Dollarama haul. Again, my focus is always on anything crafty, snacks for my boys, and of course things for my cat. That's what I get. But yeah, my focus is always the craft stuff. So that's it for my Dollarama haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you did. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, thanks for watching, and stay crafty. Bye!